This is butter is blank. So now we will cut it small side from the plant. We'll remove the green cover like this way. You will observe this green cover is very strong and very flexible. So the ancient Egyptians used it to make a lot of things at their houses, like baskets, shoes, sandals. So we will cut it into thin slices like this. You will observe this part is breakable because it contains sugar and water. And to make the paper, we need only sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah. So I will use the hammer to remove the water.
Suyu da içiliyor zaten. Bunun suyu da
İçindeki
içiliyor.
suyunu çıkartıyor şu anda.
Ha. Ama normalde şeker kamışı içiliyor.
Okay, I'm very strong and very flexible. So we put the plant in the water for two reasons. First one, to control the color.
Normal suda mı bekletiyor?
It is just the normal water, right?
Yeah. So you want light paper like this, keep the plant in the water for 1 week. And 2
1
weeks
week.
for the dark green.
Aha, okay.
Bir hafta mı?
Bir hafta burada bir hafta bekletince bu renk
tam
oluyor, 2
öyle.
hafta bekletince o renk oluyormuş.
6 gün diye biliyordum ben. Bir hafta okey.
The sugar inside the slice is turned into gelatin. Gelatin is a natural glue helps slice to stick together. So now we any kind of cloth like this corded. We will put the
İçinde
slices
bekletecek.
like this way. Keep it under the press for 1 week else.